Alright guys, today I'm gonna make my brakes red because I have black rims. It's gonna look nice. Enjoy. The wheels are ready. Black and red brakes gonna be nice, and I'm gonna put them on the Mini. So here are the brakes. I'm gonna clean them well using some sandpaper and sand them off, using some degreaser and some alcohol as well, so that everything is going to be nice. Be careful for your discs not to damage them. So the paint I use is special for brakes, and then I use sandpaper, very fine. This is 320, just to get the dust off and everything, and just a normal brush. Just keep it simple. My wife just came with the sandwiches because she told me I'm always in the garage. So now I'm gonna use just a normal degreaser, spray it well, let it work a bit, and clean it. Then you just take the paper and rub it well. You're gonna see there is a lot of things coming off. Afterwards you just take a nice cloth and dry it well everywhere, so it's nice and dry. When you use the sandpaper, it's going to help as well the paint to set. And then I'm going to use like a bit some antibac. It's alcohol, so it's evaporating pretty fast. I'm just gonna do some more to be sure. That everything is properly done. Now we're ready. You just take the paint. I just use a normal brush, and you start with a very thin layer. I'm probably gonna do 2 to 3 strokes, and just do it very thin, because this paint makes easily drops, not at once but after a while. So just very thin, and use your time. I just let it dry now for half an hour, and I'm gonna give it a second coat. This paint takes half an hour to dry, 3 hours to be proper air dried, to be driving outside, and I think up till 10 days to have his fully strength. Then it's going to be very hard and very resistant. So in the beginning, just be a bit careful. With the second layer you can put a bit more, a bit thicker, and then you're going to see straight away that it's covering much better. If you start with too much paint, you're just gonna fall off after a while, because it's gonna be too much, too big lumps. So just thin layers, but now the second a bit thicker, and I might even do a third one as well. Now it's finished. On this one I use 3 thin ones. On the next ones I just use 2, and it looks okay. I mean, you can buy like this plastic red stuff that you just click on top. Here's a bit more, maybe I put a bit more there, I will see. I just fixed those two small spots that I forgot. It looks pretty okay now. And then I put the pencil in the plus glove so it keeps well. Enjoy!